Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm going to be doing a lovely fried chicken in the oven. All right, this is recipe is just like more easy and simple for you guys to do at home. All right, so I got 1 2 3 4 5 pieces of chicken leg and thigh. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's a very easy recipe and anyone can do this at home. All right, first thing what you need to do is get 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm already prepped my garlic, so I'm gonna squeeze the garlic straight inside of it like this. The only thing option I would say to you, if you don't have one of these garlic squeezer, please go to Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk, and you can click and order one. Go to stores, order one, and I will definitely ship it to you guys. Lovely. You don't need this hyper season on this the way I'm gonna be doing it. All right, guys, I'm just gonna be doing it very easy and simple and straightforward. That's it, guys. You can do it at home. What you need to do is just simple. Rub up the garlic on the chicken. You know what I mean? Cause you see, anytime you're cooking any kind of food, once you do your meat like this, the first thing what's gonna happen is the meat definitely gonna have a flavor, because garlic is like something totally, I don't know all the best way to put it, but I said garlic. Lovely. Wash out my hand because of meat and this chicken. But anyway, the garlic is just amazing on anything where you use it at home. Lovely. So we're going to put some mixed herb, roughly about a tablespoon of mixed herb. This is a secret which I'm giving you guys. I'm always doing chicken. All from the day I start my YouTube channel, I've been doing chicken recipe. I may repeat some of the recipe them over, but then in different ways. 1 tablespoon of chicken season. And all you're going to do is put a little bit of paprika. Alright? You don't need to overdo your chicken the way I'm gonna do it. Alright? So what you're gonna do is easy. I'm just gonna simply pop on the gloves and my hand like this. And just rub up the chicken. Alright? Nice and lovely. So you saw the chicken, it is dry, but honestly, the way it's gonna be looking, you're gonna be amazing. Look at that, beautiful and simple and nice and unique. So if you're at home and you wanna, you know what I mean, surprise your partner, your husband, whatever, this is a secret recipe which you can do at home. All right, lovely. So once you do this, you marinate up the chicken like this, very easy. You don't need to stress yourself and put this whole heap of seasoning. You're just gonna do it simple. Put this one side. Now, get a big bowl like this one, which I'm gonna be using. A little bit dark, but of the kind of bowl I'm using. What I'm going to do is put some I'm going to put roughly about a cup of plain flour. I'm pouring it from the bag. Lovely. Roughly about a cup of plain flour. Once you put your cup of plain flour into the bowl like this, as you can see it nicely, I'm going to be using this spicy chicken fry mix. You can get this in the supermarket to buy or your local shop. You don't have to use this, but I'm gonna give you a secret recipe. All right, so before we go any further, we're going to put roughly about half tablespoon of chicken season on the plain flour like this. And some mixed herb. Some pepper. This is some chicken and garlic. Chicken and steak, but I'm not gonna use this one. I think it's fine, I can use it, but it's a little bit spicy. So let's put a little bit on it. You don't want to over spice. Now we're going to put some paprika. Lovely. So this is what I'm going to be using. Before I use that, let's give this a lovely spin. I'm using a fork. Lovely. So this spicy chicken mix I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using roughly about 2 tablespoons is enough, because it is a little bit spicy and you don't want to use too much. Lovely. So get your chicken and simple, just coat it into it. You don't need to put no egg or no, you're just gonna simple doing it just like this. All right, lovely. So coat the chicken, put it one side. You don't need no egg or this whole heap of oil, because I'm doing it on a simple version for you guys. You guys 100% will love this at home, the way I'm doing it. The next time, if you want me to do the original Jamaican fried chicken recipe, then just leave your comments in the description box and I will definitely do that recipe for you again. Although I have a lot of recipe for chicken on my YouTube channel, but I love chicken recipe because I'm always doing it in different kind of way. You know, yeah. So what you need to do is to make sure your oven is under temperature at the moment, because I turn on my oven, is on, start to cook that lovely chicken. That mean, you know what I mean, as I put it in, it's just gonna be just amazing. All right. See, once you do all of a chicken like this, that is lovely. This is amazing. And not only that, it coating it in, it's so perfect. All right, guys, lovely. All right, so that's exactly what you need to do. Lovely. So put this one side. Once you put that one side, get your oven tray with a piece of a grease proof paper, and then you're gonna put that lovely chicken in like this. Simple. Let's put a little bit of flour on it like this. Yeah, perfect. All right, guys, you see that? Look at that. That is amazing. That's the chicken right there. All right, once you do that, all you're going to do next is get some oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, or any kind of oil you want to use. Simple. Pour it like this. All right, on top of the chicken. On top of the chicken. Lovely. All right, guys, lovely. Once you do the chicken like that, then you're gonna place it in your oven for roughly 30 to 40 minutes the least. If you're using electric oven, 165 to 170 is very good. If you're using a gas mark, you're gonna put your gas mark 6 or 7. That is a medium to high temperature. All right, preheat your oven, put it in the middle of the oven first. So now what we're gonna do, bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments and tell me what do you think about this chicken recipe. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this is the chicken right here. All I'm going to do is simply turn it over to the other side like this. Look at that. That is beautiful and an amazing. Little bit hot, you know. Yeah. But the thing I want to get to you guys, if you can see exactly how the chicken looking so lovely. The scent of the chicken is just amazing. Look at it, beautiful, falling off the bone already. It's gonna get this side a little bit more crispy. And no, you guys definitely will love that one. All right, another 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes on a medium size heat, not on a high temperature, perfectly medium, like gas mark 4 or 5. All right, about 10 to 15 minutes. Lovely. Just take it from the oven. It's just amazing. The scent is marvelous. Look at that, beautiful. So what we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna put a white plate right here. I'll make you guys can see. Look at this, beautiful and an amazing. This is one of the best from Chef Ricardo so far. Please enjoy the recipe, guys. Leave your comments. Amazing, beautiful. Look at that. Ah, wow, wow. Lovely and nice. That is a perfect oven fried chicken. Lovely and nice. Look at that. I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you who's going to watch this one, and leave your comments in the description box. It's just amazing and juicy, and the flavor and the scent is just fantastic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Bye bye.